On this short video, I'm gonna go ahead and share how to change your WhatsApp number without you losing any information from your previous number. So whenever you decide to change your cell phone number and you do not want to lose any information on your WhatsApp, pictures, videos, messages, and stuff, there's an easy way to change your WhatsApp to your new number without losing any of the information. And here we go, step by step. First step is go ahead and locate your app on your phone. Second step, you're gonna click on the three dots on the top right if you have a Samsung device. Mine is a Samsung device, so I'm gonna click on the three dots menu. Third step, we're gonna click on the settings. Step 4, you're gonna click on your account where it says privacy, security, and change your number. Number 5, you're gonna go change your number. Click on change your number. And number 6, if you scroll to the bottom, click next. Congratulations, you're done. As simple as that. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.